Hello, I'm Dr. Anton Gates, and welcome to this week's lecture on SWOT analysis for Business 400 Driving Business Opportunities. A SWOT analysis is a powerful strategic planning tool that helps organizations gain a clear understanding of their internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as the external opportunities and threats they face. By examining these four key areas, businesses can develop more informed strategies to enhance their performance and achieve their goals. Let's start with the basics. Strengths and weaknesses are internal factors. Strengths are what your company does well, such as unique skills or resources or competitive advantages. Weaknesses, on the other hand, are areas where your company may be lacking or face some challenges. Opportunities and threats are external factors. Opportunities are potential areas for growth or improvement in the market, while threats are external challenges that could negatively impact your business. So, why is a SWOT analysis so valuable? Let's consider a few anecdotes. One tech startup used the SWOT analysis to identify its strong innovation capabilities, which would be considered its strengths, and its limitations regarding market research, which is a weakness. By focusing on partnerships with established firms, which is the opportunity, they managed to expand their market presence while mitigating the risk posed by large competitors, which are the threats. Another example is a well known retail company that identified shifts in consumer preferences as an opportunity. They realized their strengths were uh, their extensive supply chain, but recognized a weakness in their own online presence. Through the SWOT analysis, they invested in e commerce development to turn what was a weakness into a new strength, addressing the threat of declining in store sales. Let's look at one more in the healthcare space. A healthcare provider used the SWOT analysis to pinpoint their exceptional patient care as a strength and outdated technology as a weakness. By recognizing the opportunity to invest in new medical technologies, they improved patient outcomes and efficiency. Meanwhile, they prepared for potential regulatory challenges, which would be a threat, by staying informed and adaptable. These examples illustrate how the SWOT analysis can help businesses understand their internal and external environments, enabling them to make strategic decisions that leverage their strengths, address their weaknesses, capabilities, and opportunities, and mitigate threats. So let's cover each element of the SWOT analysis individually. So let's first talk about the strengths. Strengths are the positive attributes that give a company an advantage over its competitors. These can include a strong brand reputation, innovative product lines, or robust financial performance. For example, a company with a well known brand and loyal customer base can leverage the strength to introduce new products more successfully. Here are three key strengths to consider in a SWOT analysis. A strong brand reputation. This helps in building customer trust and loyalty. A strong brand reputation means that customers are more likely to choose your product or service over the competitors. It's also will allow for easier market penetration when launching new products, as the brand is already recognized and trusted by customers. Additionally, a strong brand can command higher prices and create a perception of quality and reliability in the marketplace. Innovative product lines, continuously offering new and improved products, keep the company ahead of the market. Innovation can lead to differentiation, which is crucial in competitive industries. By investing in research and development, a company can introduce cutting edge products that meet evolving customer needs. This not only attracts new customers, but also retains existing ones who seek the latest advantages and technologies. Innovation can also open up new market segments and create additional revenue streams. Robust financial performance. A strong financial position allows for more investment in growth opportunities. Having solid financial health means a company can invest in new projects, expand operations, and take advantage of market opportunities without the constant pressure of financial constraints. It also provides a cushion against economic downturn and enable the company to make strategic acquisitions or establish partnerships. Furthermore, robust financial performances can attract investors and improve the company's credit rating, leading to better financial options. These strengths can position a company well in the competitive landscape, enabling it to capitalize on opportunities and maintain a strong market presence. Now let's talk about the weaknesses. Weaknesses are areas where the company may be at a disadvantage compared to its competitors. High production costs, limited market presence, or reliance on a single product line are common weaknesses. Identifying weaknesses is crucial as it allows companies to develop strategies to address and improve these areas. Key weaknesses might include high production costs. This can erode product margins and profit margins. When a company incurs high production costs, it struggles to maintain competitive pricing without sacrificing profitability. This can be due to inefficiencies in the production process, high labor costs, or expensive raw materials. High production costs limit the company's ability to invest in other areas such as marketing, research and development, or expansion. By identifying and addressing these inefficiencies, a company can improve its cost structures and boost its bottom line. Limited market presence in certain regions. Now, reduce this problem reduces potential customer base and market share. If a company is not widely recognized or available in key markets, the company misses out on potential revenue and growth opportunities. This limitation can be due to inadequate distribution networks or supply chain gaps and lack of localized marketing strategies or failure to adapt products to regional preferences. Expanding market presence requires strategic planning and investing in marketing, distribution, and possibly product adaptation to meet local preferences. Reliance on a single product line. Now, increasing uh, the product line uh, or the breadth of products available and having constraints on that increases risk if the product becomes obsolete or less popular. Depending heavily on one product may make a company vulnerable to market fluctuations and changes in consumer preferences. If demand for a product declines, the company's overall revenue and profitability can suffer significantly. Diversifying the product portfolio can mitigate this risk by spreading revenue sources across multiple products, reducing the impact on any single product performance on the overall business. Recognizing these weaknesses helps in creating strategies to mitigate their impact, such as optimizing production processes to lower costs, expanding into new markets to increase presence, and diversifying product offerings to reduce dependence on a single product line. Now let's talk a bit about opportunities. Opportunities are external factors that a company can capitalize on to grow and succeed. These might include expanding into new markets, adopting new technologies, or forming strategic partnerships. By identifying and pursuing these opportunities, businesses can enhance their competitive edge. Key opportunities include market expansion. Entering new markets can significantly increase revenues. Expanding into new geographic regions or demographics allows a company to tap into previously untapped customer bases. This can be particularly beneficial if the current market is saturated or growth has plateaued. Market expansion can also diversify revenue streams and reduce dependency on a single market, making the company more resilient to local economic downturns. New technology adoption. Implementing new technology can improve efficiency and product offerings. Technologies such as automation, artificial intelligence, and data analytics can streamline operations, reduce costs, and enhance product quality. For example, adopting new manufacturing technologies can increase production speed and reduce errors, while advanced data analytics can provide deeper insights into customer preferences and market trends, enabling more targeted marketing and product development. Potential partnerships. Collaborating with other companies can provide new resources and markets. Strategies and strategic partnerships can offer access to new customer bases, shared technology, and combined expertise. For instance, a partnership with a company that has a strong distribution network can help in reaching new customers, while collaborating with a technology firm can lead to innovative product developments. Partnerships can also lead to cost sharing in research and development, marketing, and distribution, enhancing overall efficiency. Capitalizing on these opportunities can drive significant growth, positioning the company for long term success in a competitive landscape. Now, to round the SWOT analysis out, let's talk about the threats. Now, threats are external challenges that could negatively impact the company. This can include increased competition, changing regulations, or economic downturns. Understanding these threats allows businesses to develop contingency plans to mitigate their impact. Key threats could include market competition. Market competition can reduce market share and profitability. As new competitors enter the market or existing ones become more aggressive, a company may face pressure to lower prices, increase market expenditures and marketing expenditures, or enhance product offerings. This intense competition can erode profit margins and make it hard to retain customers. For example, a tech company might face threats from startups with innovative solutions or from large companies with great resources. Challenging regulations. Compliance can increase costs and operational complexity. Regulatory changes can impact various aspects of a business, including production processes, product standards, and labor practices. For instance, new environmental regulations might require a company to invest in cleaner technologies, which could be costly and time consuming. Noncompliance can result in fines, legal challenges, and damages to the company's reputation. Economic downturns can reduce consumer spending and impact sales. Economic recessions or slowdowns can lead to decreased consumer confidence and lower disposable income, uh, resulting in reduced demand for a company's products and services. This threat can be particularly challenging for companies reliant on discretionary spending. During such times, businesses may need to adjust their strategies, such as focusing on cost efficiency or diversifying their product lines to include more essential items. Being aware of these threats is essential for proactive planning. Companies can develop strategies to mitigate their impact, such as diversifying their product portfolio to reduce dependency on a single market, investing in compliance and sustainability initiatives to stay ahead of regulatory changes, and creating flexible business models that can adapt to economic fluctuations. So, how do you conduct a SWOT analysis? Conducting a SWOT analysis involves several systematic steps to ensure a comprehensive and effective evaluation. Here's a detailed overview of how to carry out this process. Assemble a team of stakeholders. Gather a diverse group of stakeholders from different areas of the business, including management, marketing, finance, operations, and customer service. This ensures a well rounded perspective and a comprehensive input. Encourage open and honest communications among team members to facilitate a thorough analysis. Brainstorming and list factors. Start by brainstorming and listing the internal strengths and weaknesses of the company. Strengths might include strong brand reputation or innovative product line or robust financial performance. Weaknesses could be high production costs, limited market presence, and reliance on a single product line. Next, identify external opportunities and threats. Opportunities could involve market expansion, new technology adoption, and potential partnerships. Threats might include market competition, challenging regulation, and economic downturn. Use brainstorming sessions to gather as many ideas as possible without filtering or judging them at this stage. Use data and insights. Support your brainstorming session with data and insights from various sources, such as market research reporting, customer feedback, sales data, internal performance reports, or use artificial intelligence to see if you can gain valuable new insights from data that you have. This helps in validating the listed factors and providing a factual basis for your analysis. Analyze industry trends, competitor strategies, and economic forecasts to gain a deeper understanding of the external environment. Prioritize the factors. Once all of the factors have been listed, prioritize them based on their impact and relevance to your business. This helps in focusing on the most critical areas that need attention. Use criteria such as the potential for growth, risk levels, and alignment with business objectives to rank each of these factors. Develop strategies. After prioritizing the factors, develop strategies to leverage strengths, improve weaknesses, seize opportunities, and mitigate threats. For example, if a company has a strong brand reputation, it can leverage this by launching new products. If high production costs are a weakness, the company might explore ways to optimize its production process. Create actionable plans with specific steps, responsible parties, and timeliness to implement these strategies effectively. Review and refine. Conduct regular reviews of the SWOT analysis to ensure it remains relevant and accurate. The business environment is dynamic, and factors influencing the company can change over time. Update the SWOT analysis periodically, incorporating new data and insights to keep the analysis current and effective. By following these steps, businesses can conduct a thorough SWOT analysis by providing valuable insights for strategic planning. This structured approach ensures that all critical areas are examined and actionable strategies are developed to drive growth and mitigate risk. By following these steps, businesses can conduct a thorough SWOT analysis by providing valuable insights for strategic planning. This structure approach ensures that all critical areas are examined and actionable strategies are developed to drive growth and mitigate risks. So, what are some practical applications of the SWOT analysis? The SWOT analysis is not just a theoretical exercise. It has practical applications in real world business scenarios. Here are several areas businesses can use the SWOT analysis to their advantage. Strategic planning. The SWOT analysis is a cornerstone of strategic planning. By identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, businesses can develop long term strategies that leverage their strengths, address their weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and guard against threats. For example, a company may decide to expand into new markets if the SWOT analysis reveals strong brand recognition, which is a strength, and high demand for new uh, for their product in new regions, which is an opportunity. Product development. During the product development phase, a SWOT analysis helps in assessing the viability of new products and services. It ensures that the company's strengths are leveraged and weaknesses are addressed, opportunities are seized, and that threats are mitigated. For instance, a tech company might use a SWOT analysis to decide whether to invest in developing a new software product. If the analysis shows a strong internal research and development, which would be a strength, and a growing market need, which would be an opportunity, it might proceed with developing a new product while planning to overcome potential regulatory hurdles, which would be a threat. Competitive analysis. A SWOT analysis allows businesses to evaluate their position relative to their competitors. By understanding their own strengths and weaknesses in comparison to those of their competitors, companies can develop strategies to differentiate themselves in a competitive marketplace. For example, a retail company might identify that its competitors are weak in online product and positioning, which would be a weakness. And they may choose to capitalize on this by enhancing its own e-commerce capabilities, which is an opportunity. Marketing strategy. SWOT analysis is crucial in shaping effective marketing strategies. By understanding internal capabilities and external marketing conditions, businesses can tailor their marketing efforts to highlight strengths and address market demand. For instance, if a SWOT analysis reveals a strong social presence, a strength, and a rising trend of social media shopping, an opportunity, a company might focus its marketing efforts on social media platforms to drive sales. Risk management. Identifying threats in the SWOT analysis is a proactive approach to risk management. Businesses can develop contingency plans to mitigate these risks, ensuring stability and continuity even in adverse conditions. For example, a company facing potential supply chain disruption, a threat, might diversify its supplier base or increase inventory levels as a precautionary measure. Business expansion. When considering business expansion, the SWOT analysis provides a comprehensive overview of internal capabilities and external market conditions. It helps in making informed decisions about entering new markets or launching new products. For example, a restaurant chain looking to expand internationally might use a SWOT analysis to access internal strengths and to assess internal strengths like brand reputation and external opportunities like a growing demand for international cuisine in the target market. Operational efficiency. A SWOT analysis can be used to improve operational efficiency by identifying internal weaknesses that hinder performance. Businesses can then develop strategies to address these weaknesses and enhance overall efficiency. For instance, if high production costs, a weakness, are identified, a company might invest in automated technologies to seek more cost effective suppliers. Employee development. Understanding internal strengths and weaknesses help in employee development and resource allocation. Businesses can focus on enhancing employee skills that align with their strategic goals. For example, if a company identifies a strong, innovative culture, which would be a strength, but a gap in the leadership skills, which would be a weakness, it might invest in leadership development programs to build a strong management team. By regularly conducting a SWOT analysis, businesses can stay agile and proactive, ready to tackle challenges and seize new opportunities. This ongoing process helps in aligning organizational goals with the dynamic market environment, ensuring sustained growth and competitiveness. So, in conclusion, a SWOT analysis is an invaluable tool that offers deep insights into a company's internal and external environment. By systematically identifying and evaluating strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, businesses can make informed strategic decisions that drive growth and sustainability. Conducting a thorough SWOT analysis involves assembling a diverse team of stakeholders, brainstorming and listing relevant factors, using data and insights to validate these factors, prioritizing them based on impact, and developing actionable strategies. This structured approach ensures that all critical areas are examined and addressed. The practical application of the SWOT analysis are extensive. It plays a crucial role in strategic planning, product development, competitive analysis, marketing strategies, risk management, business expansion, operational efficiency, and employee development. For example, a company can use a SWOT analysis to identify new marketing opportunities or new market opportunities, streamline production processes, or enhance its competitive edge through innovative marketing campaigns. By leveraging strengths such as a strong brand reputation or innovative product lines, addressing weaknesses like high production costs or limited marketing presence, seizing opportunities for market expansion or new technology adoption, and mitigating threats from increased competition or economic downturn, businesses can position themselves for long term success. Remember, the SWOT analysis is not a one time exercise. It should be conducted regularly to adopt and to adapt to the challenging market conditions and internal development. This ongoing process helps businesses stay agile and proactive, ready to tackle challenges and seize new opportunities as they arise. I want to thank you for joining me on this exploration of the SWOT analysis. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips for conducting a SWOT analysis. I'm hopeful that this data will help you with your class projects. Should you have any questions about the content or questions about its application on your projects, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for your time.